Unbixing the video. So here is the Malaysia Phoenix model Malaysia Airlines Boeing 747 486 aeroplane 9. Mike, this is my Papa Delta painted in hibiscus livery. You could see all its red in the front and the combination of gold and pink line. You could see the red and hibiscus transitioning to that normal white tail. This Malaysia has put it for the celebration of the launch of new business and first class products. In 2006, this jet is now currently retired and now from Malaysia Airlines 2010 and currently with the acquisition 2016 scrapped 10 years later. But this is a good aviation artwork piece.